Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
What is going on, guys? We are back. You know my co-host Joelle. Say hi, Joelle. No? Okay. But anyways, we just got to the park. She's ready to go, you know, on some slides and swing. But yeah, anyways, guys, if you guys don't know me, my name is Michael and I do e-commerce full-time now. Yep, full-time, and I'll explain when I quit my job and why, and you know, all that stuff. I'm sure you guys know why. I mean, who wants to work a 9 to 5 and all that, you know? Work for yourself. Do it. It will be the best thing you've ever done. But right now we're gonna head to the park and do some swinging and all that stuff, and I'll talk about e-commerce and all that later. It's the park. Woohoo. She's gotta have her blankie. Crocodile. Joey, over here. Cow's hungry. Got it. Got it. Whoa. Nice. Just did it by yourself. Wow. Good job, sweetie. Woohoo. Joelle. Yeah, our favorite thing to do is come to the park. Right, Joelle? You love the park. Woohoo! Iguana. I don't know if you guys have any kids or whatnot, but I swear it's the best thing ever. You know, just spending time with your little mini-me. She is amazing. I love you, Joelle. Love you. But yeah, it's literally the best thing ever. Woo! When I was a young lad, this used to be my favorite thing. Woohoo! Is it fun, Joelle? This thing's awesome. Love it? Alright, we are just leaving the park. Joelle's tired. She wants some ice cream, so that's what we're gonna get, right, Joelle? Ice cream! Woohoo! Yummy ice cream! Oh. Joelle sure loves her ice cream, right, honey? Is it yummy? You're still shy, baby? Ah, Joelle, you got it everywhere. Oh no. Oh, wasn't my best idea. It was my fault. It's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright guys, so yeah, I just dropped off Joelle at the house because I'm actually at the gym. I'm outside of the gym right now, you know, trying to get those gains now that I have that time. I try to go to the gym every day because, you know, health is wealth pretty much, and I really believe in that. And I was slacking like last year, but I've been going hard ever since. But yeah, I quit my job and I'm focusing on e-commerce. That's all I'm doing. I'm, you know, going really hard at it. But it wasn't this easy. I didn't just quit my job just like that. I've been doing e-commerce for about 2 years. I started trial and error. I mean, my first store was a coffee store. I have no idea why, like, it was called like Modern Coffee or something, you know? And I have no idea what I was doing at all. I just like was watching YouTube videos, like I'm sure you guys do, like when you guys start, you guys have no idea. And you guys think if you guys create like some random store and have no plan at all, that it'll all work out, and it didn't at all. And then I started my second store. It was selling like phone cases. It was like called Phone Favorites or something. I don't know. I thought I had it figured out, but I didn't. That was my second store. And then my third store hit, and that's when I was like, holy crap. And ever since, that third store has been going hard for me. And right now I'm gonna work on my fourth store, so we'll see where that goes. And yeah, right now I'm just in the middle of scaling, because I know I have a couple winning products that I can scale to who knows how much. But to me, it's not all about the money. Obviously it's about the money sometimes. Let's just keep it completely real, because it lets you do whatever you want. And I just love having so much time now. Like I have a daughter, and I love just spending all my time with her and my girlfriend, which is her mom, you know. And I just love doing that, because when I was working my full-time job, I didn't have time to do anything. So yeah, I mean, I'm sorry. I have a new camera. It's the Canon G7X, so you know how it has that screen. So I'm just staring at myself when I should be staring down here. Sorry, but I'll get used to it, but it's just hard not to. But anyways, yeah, I will be giving a lot more tips about like my experience with drop shipping, because I feel like this whole like drop shipping circle is just like a bunch of rich dudes, you know what I mean? Just a bunch of like super rich people that like kind of just like tell you the basics and just kind of keep you like in their like loop. But I don't want to do that, because I feel like people need just a real guy that's not like super rich but is making money from ecom. And I feel like you guys would love to see that, so I'm the guy for it, especially since I just quit my job. I can definitely like just give you some tips and stuff, and like how to grow social media pages, because that's a huge thing, like with social proof. Because right now, like the page that's like my store, my third store, that's going like making me money every day, I have like 20,000 followers on Instagram, and that's huge in the beginning, because if you can test products for free, you can, you know, see what products work and which ones don't. And guess what? You're doing it for free, because if you pick a niche store and build a niche Instagram page, that is gold. That's exactly what I did. And I'll say that for another video, because I have a lot of information about that. But yeah, sorry. That was a whole nother topic that I want to talk about. But I just want to talk about right now, like how I quit my job and stuff, because it actually like, it was like last week. And I remember I was at work, and I hit like $300 in sales. And then the next day I hit like 400. And this has been ongoing, but I just wasn't sure. But then I was just at work, and I'm just like, what am I doing here? Like, I have money, like I make more money from my store than I do at my job. And I hated my job, because just everyone was negative, and I just hated it so much. Plus, I work third shift. So if you guys, you know how third shift works, it sucks. It's worse than a 9-to-5. It's literally, it just sucks, because you sleep during the day and you're up at night when no one's up, and it's just so depressing. And I didn't want that for myself anymore. And you know, that's why I worked super hard at this, and finally it clicked. And I'm happy now. Like I was happy, but I'm happy now with what I'm doing, because I know this is gonna, like, you know, keep me motivated to work even harder and reach my goals. Like this month I want to reach 10K this month in sales, but we'll see. But if I hit 5K, that'd be great. But I think I'm on the path to 10K. We'll see, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I mean, this is the first video of many, so stay tuned. So hopefully I did a good job. I think I did a good job. I'm not gonna really edit this. I'm just gonna just throw it out there, so just to see what you guys think about it. You guys can give me some criticism and whatnot, because you know, I'm a new YouTuber, and yeah, I mean, there's not much else to say. Yeah, that's it. It just got awkward. I don't know why. But yeah, this is just a whole trial and error for me, and I will practice and get better. I mean, that's what people do. You have to try and take action to get better, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm fine messing up. It's not a big deal for me. It's just all improvement. So thank you guys for watching. And I appreciate you guys just sticking around. So please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Just to, I want to see like who's watching and what do you guys think, or what video should I do next? Should I talk about social media, or should I talk about, you know, just building a store, or you know, if you should do a general store or a niche store? I have a ton of information, and I can for sure help you, because I know in the start it can be super, like, you know, there's so many products, and especially since they're so cheap, you just want to put everything in one store. You don't want to do that, for sure. You need to pick one and roll with it. But that's a whole nother video. I appreciate you guys for watching. It's getting dark, and people are just kind of staring at me. They're just walking around staring at me, because it's saying, what am I doing here, just talking? But you know, I live in Wisconsin, so there's not a lot of stuff going on here. You know, people don't walk around vlogging or anything like that, which is a whole nother thing too. But I will stop rambling, and I'll see you guys later. So hope you guys have a great day. I'm about to hit the gym. I'm about to kill it. Peace out.